How to invite collaborators on Instagram after posting reels. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video of 1-2 step. Now if you have added in a reel and if you have forgotten to add in collaborators, and if you open up the reel, tap on the three dots on the bottom right and tap on manage, tap on edit. As you can see, there is no option of adding in collaborators later on. The only thing that you can do in this case is tag people. If you want to add in collaborators, you'll need to remove the existing reel and then create a new reel. That is the only thing that you can do, and there is no way of adding in collaborators after the post is made, whether they be on reels or your normal Instagram posts. So you'll need to add in collaborators before you add the post or post the reel. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today. I'll see you guys in the next one.